Understanding casual income tax implications. 1. Tax reporting requirements. Even though casual income may not be the primary source of earnings for an individual, it is generally required to be reported on tax returns. Tax authorities typically require individuals to report all income earned during the tax year, regardless of its frequency or source. 2. Taxation rates. Depending on the amount and nature of the casual income, different tax rates or tax brackets may apply. Some jurisdictions may have special tax rates or exemptions for certain types of casual income, especially if it falls below a certain threshold. 3. Deductions and expenses. Individuals earning casual income may be eligible to claim deductions or expenses related to the activities that generated the income. This could include expenses such as materials, equipment, transportation, or other costs incurred in generating the income. 4. Tax withholding and payment. Depending on the jurisdiction and the amount of casual income earned, tax withholding requirements may apply. Employers or pairs of casual income may be required to withhold taxes from payments made to individuals and remit them to tax authorities on their behalf. 5. Record-keeping obligations. Individuals earning casual income are generally required to maintain accurate records of their income, expenses, and other financial transactions related to the activities generating the income. These records may be necessary for tax reporting purposes and to support any deductions or claims made on tax returns. 6. Tax treaties and agreements. For individuals earning casual income in a jurisdiction different from their residence, tax treaties or agreements between countries may apply. These treaties often contain provisions addressing the taxation of income earned by residents of one country in another country and may provide for reduced withholding rates or other tax relief. 7. Compliance and penalties. Failure to comply with tax reporting and payment obligations related to casual income may result in penalties, fines, or other consequences imposed by tax authorities. It is essential for individuals earning casual income to understand and comply with applicable tax laws and regulations to avoid potential penalties.